So Manchester United B team 0, Arsenal first team 1. My baller Trossard, our best footballer at the football club, strikes again, and then, by the way, was conveniently hooked off again. Yeah, every time he scores, he gets subbed. Yeah, good one. This guy's saving this guy's career. Make sure you sub to Arsenal History and More. We are going live in an emergency meeting. Gail will be joining us. Northside, Matty, Kenny, Jez. We will be there, guys. And yeah, Jez, that was probably one of the worst Arsenal or Man United Arsenal games I've ever witnessed. It was also one of the worst games of football I've ever witnessed. Do you see the size of that bat? Yeah. But anyway, Jez, give us your breakdown, mate, of how that went, because apparently we're now all Spurs on Tuesday. Apparently, all Spurs. Wait, we're going all guns blazing. Not all guns blazing. We're going all top Spurs blazing on Tuesday. Even our third highest signing in our history is coming out saying it. Absolute shambles of a fan base. Absolute shambles of a performance. It was like a charity game. It was almost like they had an agreement to not tackle each other. Embarrassing, wasn't it, mate? We got the job done. Fair enough. But what did you make of that tonight?
Boring. Absolutely boring. I expected a lot better, considering we are still apparently challenging. Apparently, that's what I'm being told. And fair play. Yeah, we are still in a race. But as for this, absolute disgraceful, shocking discussion. If you don't support Spurs Tuesday night, you're not Arsenal. Well, let me tell you, people that have said that, you're not an Arsenal fan, because if you know the history of Arsenal Spurs, you'd never in your coffin say that statement. Never, ever, ever. And you quite rightly, Lee, said just a minute ago, we've been called out that we're Spurs fans. Never, ever in my lifetime will I ever be a Spurs fan. It's a disgrace of you Arsenal clowns to even think of thinking that, let alone saying it. You are an absolute disgrace to this fan base, and you should be taken out and hung, because that is never, ever, ever going to bloody happen with me. Never. Anyway, game. Bloody awful game. Boring. That wasn't a B team, Lee. That was a C team. They were that poor. That they didn't have one shot on target. They had a few going over the bar and round, here and there. But as you quite rightly said, Trossard got the goal. Nice ball in from Havertz. That was the only decent play of the game, in my opinion. Yeah. Now, Trossard, I predicted it. I absolutely predicted it to the minute. I said at 66 minutes, I was watching your show, right? I was also doing a watch along with the Yeti. And I said, 66 minutes, mate, he'll take off Trossard and he'll bring on Martinelli. It was damn near 65.6 minutes, right? He keeps Saka on, who's had a diabolical game, brought nothing to the party. The only reason he actually took him off, he got injured, supposedly.
No, yeah, exactly. Oh, I've dropped a stinker. We've already agreed that this is going to be 1-0. Oh, limp off again. How many times does this guy limp off at the football pitch after dropping a 2 out of 10 or a 1 out of 10? Yeah, I'm watching Betis versus Almeria. Yeah, I'm watching an actual proper number 10 in Isco. Yeah, absolutely playing unreal, bro. This guy didn't have a football club for 2 years. Yeah, this guy's running rings around Almeria. Yeah, they're 2-0 up Betis. This game is 39 minutes in, and it is already a better football match than we have just watched. Yeah, it's a better football match than we just watched, Jez. Yeah, Bukayo Saka's stunk. Where's our captain today? Where's our captain? My mum and dad, yeah, they don't really watch football like us, yeah. Right? They sat there all the way through that watch along, going, "This ain't Man United Arsenal. Where's the fight? Who's clattering each other? Who's having it? Yeah, who wants it? Who wants to get stuck in? Where's the passion? Where's the fight? Yeah, nothing. Football. Their goalkeeper's on the halfway line. Yeah, what's going on here, Jez? Yeah, Premier League football is in the gutter. yeah, in the gutter. Yeah, and that game, listen, we got the job done, we got the result, cool. The performance is kind of irrelevant, but so is the result, because we know that they're going to fold on Tuesday. And if Villa if Villa win against Liverpool, it's irrelevant anyway. Yeah, because then Spurs will definitely fold because they'll put the reserves out. We also know they got West Ham last day of the season. They could genuinely go and beat Tottenham 3 or 4-0 on Tuesday. If they win 3-0, the goal difference is level 0. Yeah. And now it goes down to a shootout. Now we have to fucking hope they drop points against West Ham at home. They've gone 43 unbeaten at home. They're going to spank 5 past that lot. Yeah. And now Everton, 1 loss in 8. Yeah. And I know we beat Everton 4 or 5 every time we play them at the Emirates. Yeah. Right. And I think we will beat them. Right. But come on, Jez, that game was a disgrace. I had people in my chat telling me, oh, Thomas Partey is not match fit. Well, he was match fit in the last 2 games. Yeah. This excuse for a player playing crap. Oh, he's playing through injury. He's not match fit. Shut up. Yeah. You've got Arsenal Twitter account posting out, we fight till the end, guys. Get out of here. But fight to the end. 1 point, Jez, in 12 against Fulham and Aston Villa, which, by the way, Man United got 9 points out of them 12. And they're shit. Yeah, that's where we've lost the league. Nothing to do with Pep. We should have done back-to-back titles, Jez. Let's just have it right here. And he would have done something Wenger couldn't do in 22 years. He would have done back-to-back titles. However, this manager's arrogance, playing that German giraffe in midfield for 20 games when he's not a midfielder, right? When he's a striker. And today he was shit. Yeah, he was crap today. 1 pass ain't fooling me. Trossard scored, rubbish. Our best player today was our centre-back, Saliba.
Oh, damn, man.
Old Trafford. We were the worst team that's rocked up at Old Trafford this season, by the way.
How's that
game in the match, Jez?
I'm sorry, Lee, but, you know, when you're actually going up against one of the worst, probably the worst Man United team I've seen since they got relegated in 74.
Yeah.
They were
Dennis Law. Was it Dennis Law? Yeah, he scored for City against him, isn't it? awful team. And we can't only put 1 goal against them. They were awful. We were there. We were slow. We were lackluster. I was watching your thingy, Bob, and I was like, up the pace, Arteta. We're just sitting there. Why are we walking? Why is Declan Rice walking through the midfield? He was awful today. He was awful. So the whole midfield was awful today.
Shit. Like, all of them were crap. The only player that was any good today was Trossard and Saliba. Fact. I mean, we nearly had a bozo moment again.
Well, the keeper today, by the way. Oh, my days. What was he doing on that corner? What was he doing when he nearly slipped and Rice played the pass back to him and he nearly slipped? What were we doing? Do you know what that is? That's nerves. Yeah, that's not being able to cross the line. You've never crossed the line, so you don't know what it takes to cross the line. Yeah, and now you're jittery. Jez, they had McTominay in midfield with Kobe Mino. Yeah, and can I just say as well, yeah, the best player on the whole pitch, by the way, and he went off injured in the end, Amad Diallo. Yeah, that right winger they had on the pitch day, he was the best player on the pitch. He should be starting week in, week out for Man United. Yeah, look how good he was today. The way he was just technical level, he was nutmegging. Best player, he got injured and went off. Yeah, absolute shit show. That is the worst. I'm 42 next month. That is the worst Arsenal Man United game I've ever seen. Ever. And there's been some crap ones. That was shocking.
It was a disgrace. It was a disgrace. And I'm not going to go into it because I can't be arsed with it. But
we'll do that on the emergency meeting, Jez. We'll throw all the handbags in the fire.
Yeah, I mean, it was an absolute joke setup. The Man United fans weren't even interested. They were just sitting there like, oh, well, Arsenal have come to town. Right, okay, let's see what happens then, shall we? You know, it was a disgrace of this football club. It's an embarrassment. But people were saying, oh, it's going to be 8-0. Are you having a laugh? I'm not going to say
redemption for the 8-2, they were saying.
Yeah.
The 6-1.
Last time
I predicted 2-1. What was your prediction? I predicted 2-1.
I said 2-1.
Yeah, but I actually thought it would be a better game than that. It was almost like they'd agreed before kickoff that let's not touch each other, let's not hurt each other. Yeah, yeah. My mum and dad said this. It was almost like they had a little agreement. Yeah, that right, you can win. Yeah, but don't score more than one. Yeah, go easy on us, and we will go easy on you, and we'll just keep. I swear down, Garnacho. Yeah, Garnacho. Yeah, that guy was match fixing today. Every time he got the ball, he put the ball 3 yards left of the left post every time he got the ball and took a shot. 3 yards left every time. It's almost like he picked his spot and put it there. Yeah, it was match fixing. Yeah, like allegedly, from my point. Right? We have to cover ourselves before we get fucking sent a letter. Right? But it looked like that game was, we've already. Wait, what a goal from Almeria. See, look, this game, yeah? Look at the La Liga. Look at La Liga. What a fucking goal. Yeah, what a goal. This team are bottom of the league, by the way. They've got 5 fans in the ground. There's literally about 20 of them in there. But listen, we're going to wrap this up. Jez, Arsenal history and more. Sub to Jez. And I've got Matty's fan cam to do. Check out Kenny. Check out myself. And then we're going to do an emergency stream. Jez will be there. Myself, Kenny, Egale, North side. He's now Madrid side because he's seen the light. I'm seeing if Saeed can come on for a little bit as well. He went to the swamp today. I'm not quite sure why he went there, but there we go. It is what it is. But listen, make sure you sub to Jez. We're out of here. Adios, your dipple.